Hello cute childrens, I hope you will be fine. So today I'm gonna make a baby chicken. So please watch full video for having fun. For this purpose I have to draw two eyes first of all in the middle of the page. So one and the parallel the second one. Okay, so now the middle white part, okay, and the middle white part as well. Okay, so I fill it the remaining part. So amazing. So now for the turn of beak, for this I have to draw first of all V, and we have to meet this. Okay, amazing. So now it's time to make a hair. So for this purpose you have to draw one small and one big, 3 loops, and again the side two are same and one is big. So now it's time to make a round face. Okay, be careful while this. Amazing. So Yupu, so now it's turn to make a body. For body we have to draw a U shape. Really amazing. So now I have to draw the little small wings. Okay, sidewise. Okay, now it's more feet, also little bit U shapes. Okay, amazing. So our baby chicken is ready. So now it's time to make a color. So I meet you after color. So Yupu guys, our chicken is ready. So now it's more we have to fun while drawing. This is the main view of drawing, so be careful until the next video and watch full video and subscribe my channel please. This is love from your side to me, so be careful until the next video. Bye bye.